back. So today I finally got the Lego Friends Creative Dollhouse Suitcase. It looks so lovely and very interesting, right? So it's a suitcase shape, and it's not very tall, but it's actually quite wide. So this is so interesting, right? It feels so new. So we've got lots of like lands, and it looks like we have about like 8 bags of Lego and also 4 guidebooks. Isn't it so lovely? And we also have 2 stickers. One of the best things about this set is the stickers. The stickers are so lovely. I just can't wait to build this set. So we have Lee, and there's nothing really special about her outfit, but this set is so amazing. It was actually quite hard to get this set, because it was so popular. I am not so sure about the other countries, but in my country it was actually quite tricky because it was like back order all the time. It was supposed to arrive at like October, but it arrived like more than a week early, which is good news to me. So this is a chair. So first we're going to build Leanne's bedroom. So there are some paints on top of the desk, and there's also some like drawers and also a paint palette. I never seen a paint palette with no paint on it, so it's actually quite new to me. And there are also some comic books like this Superwoman or something like that. Remember, she had like a similar comic book to that one in the game comic book and game shop set last year. So this one is where she paints stuff. So she was drawing Bubbles, her pet axolotl, and there's a really lovely carpet over here as well. So this one is going to be her bed. So there's a desk underneath and there's a bed on top of it. This used to be like what I really wanted as my own bed, to also save some places, and I felt that it was really nice to climb stairs and go to your bed. But I did have like a double bed thing, like there's a bed on the top and a bed on the lower, but it's actually quite uncomfortable, so you actually end up not using the upper part at all. So anyway, we have a really nice bed on the top, and there's also some little stairs, and the lower part is her desk. So the floor for Leanne's bedroom is going to be pink color. Isn't it so lovely? So there are 2 designs you can choose, but I'm gonna go with the upper part. But the problem is you can't really see exactly where these items are placed, so it's actually quite hard to check it with just the drawing, because normally Lego tells you very like detailed, like very easily, but this one is like there's just 2 designs, so following like the location is a little bit hard, so I have to like count every like Lego bumps in the floor. So this one is Nova's bed, so it looks also really nice, right? And there's also like a watermelon doll over there, so cute. So that one is an ordinary bed, and there's also a little carpet over here. Isn't that lovely? And Nova also has the desk over here, but I am not so sure what those lights are, but she also has some like glasses, and this one is also her comic book, so it's about the alien. Remember, I just love that alien series. It's so cute. It's like the alien who wants ice cream and stuff. So there's also some nuts and some water bottle for her and a mouse, and this is her computer, and it looks like she's playing video games with like unicorns and stuff. So the desk legs are really interesting too. So Nova's room is also pink color. This is so exciting. I just love building this set. So I am also going to go with the upper design for this one as well. So let's place these things. So the chair, the orange chair, is same as Leanne's. Okay, yeah, there you go. Looks so lovely. So now we made 2 bedrooms. Now we are making the kitchen. So we have like stove, like induction, right? Induction stove, like the newer kind. Like stove is a little bit old kind, right? So we have ice cream cone and also popsicle, and there's a photo of Pluto, so cute. And in the upper refrigerator, it looks like we have like orange juice and milk. I really want to drink orange juice. Like it's been such a long time, like I think more than like almost maybe 7 years, 8 years or something like that, or maybe not as long as that, but almost. I mean, it's been such a long time since I like drink orange juice. Anyway, we have some like we have two chairs and also a faucet with like the sponge, that yellow and green sponge is so cute, right? And this is the table, and it's really fully filled. This table, we have croissants and also some napkins and strawberry jam with 2 cups and also a boiled egg, I think, or yeah, I probably boiled egg, and there's also a spoon. So now let's place all these things. So the kitchen floor is going to be yellow color. This set is so lovely. I kind of understand why it was so popular now. So I'm also going to go with the upper design. And you know, there was something kind of similar to this one last year. I think it was like some beach set, but that one, like that was also like a suitcase thing, but I didn't really like that one that much because there wasn't really a lot of things. But this one was so nice, so I was very excited, and it's really, really awesome. Way better than I thought, actually. But the beach one, I think there wasn't so many things. You know, there's also like a pizza oven, but there wasn't so many things, so I didn't really like that one. But this one is so amazing. So now we're building the bathroom. We have like some tissue rolls and some like flower pot and also a toilet, and this is where they take showers. Isn't that so lovely? We have like rubber duckies and like shampoo, and maybe this is body wash and those sort of things. And we have so many carpets, so many lovely stickers. And this one is the faucet. So the faucet is very nice and very detailed. So it's kind of like this purple and a little bit of white as well. So we've got some lights on the top and sticker, nice sticker with like those the case for the toothbrush is really cute, like the rabbit. And there's also some tissues and also soap and a hairbrush and also a faucet. So the bathroom is also yellow color. So I am also going to choose the upper design because I feel like always the upper designs are better than the lower ones. So let's place all these bathroom items. So we have like 4 like floor colors. So we used yellow and pink. We also have green and blue. So now we have to make the living room, the garden, the entrance, and like the roof part where they, not roof, maybe it's also the garden, but there's also like a swimming place. So now we're making the living room with like awesome desserts. Oh my god, that looks so great. And we have some lamp, like lights, and there's also another drawer over here. There's also a gaming console and some blackberries and flower vase. And over here I think it's some like maybe some magazines about furnitures. And this one is the television. I'm not so sure what they are watching, but I think it's something like related to art. It looks like they're drawing an animal. Is that a fox or a raccoon or something like that? So this is the sofa. Looks so cute. I just love building this set. So amazing, right? So let's add these like pink lace parts. Nice, awesome pink sofa. So the living room floor is going to be blue color, and once again I'm gonna choose the upper design because I always feel like the upper design is better than the lower one, don't you think? So let's place all these items. This is so exciting. I just can't wait to play with it. And you know, the good thing is that you don't really have to break it when you put it inside the suitcase box. I am not sure, but I think you have to break it a year before the suitcase, remember? But this one you don't have to break it. So this one we've got some amazing mirrors, so cute, right, with an umbrella. So this is the entrance one. Isn't that so lovely? And you don't have to break it when you put it in the suitcase. You can just open it and play it whenever you want. So we have flowers and some perfumes and stuff like that, and also another carpet. And this one is where you can place your jacket and like bags and shoes and stuff. So this one is also blue color, so we also finished using the blue ones. We're going to use the green ones now, and once again I'm going to choose the upper design. This one, the lower one, wasn't so bad either, but I feel like I like the upper one better because I didn't like the clothes hanger facing the other way. You know, it has to face me so that it'll be easier to see them, right? So now we're making the garden. So cute. This is so lovely. We've got lots of plants. I think these are fruits like cabbages, and carrots. so cute. And the other one is going to be more like flowers, the things that we can't really eat. So this is where we put some tools that we're gonna use, and some like seeds, and also other flowers as well. And so the other one is going to be for the flowers. So the one before was like food, like vegetables. This one is like flowers. So we have some like blue flowers and also sunflower. Lovely, right? So this is the sunflower, and this one is the blue flower. Isn't it lovely? Maybe it's blueberries. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, I think if it was blueberries, they probably would have put blueberries, but it's just blue flowers, I think. So this one is green color, and once again I'm going to use the upper design. This one, the lower design, wasn't so bad either, but I choose the upper one because the upper one you can see it better, and so that I can film it easily in the phone. So I choose the first one. So now this is the last one, the swimming pool. There's also a sunbed and a parasol, kind of small for a parasol, but there's also sun cream and a sunblock, and also a cup of something, maybe juice. So this is a really teeny tiny little swimming pool over here, and there's also a swimming tube. Isn't that so cute? So it's with turquoise, not turquoise, coral and light yellow color. And once again I'm going to choose the upper design, because now I kind of feel like I have to choose the upper design, you know. Anyway, there's the swimming pool and the parasol and the sunbed. So now we all finished building this set. We have to place it, but I think there isn't really the drawing of like where you should place them. I think you can just place it as you want to, because you know this is a creative dollhouse. So I put the rooms in the upper part, and the entrance, and the living room over there, and the bathroom over there, and the kitchen on the down part, and also the garden and the swimming pool over there. So lovely, right? So I just can't wait to play with it. But before we play with it, let's see how they look like a little bit more closer, you know, like this. So that's the entrance. This is the living room, Leanne's room, and I just love that drawing. And that's Nova's room. This is the kitchen, the garden, and the bathroom, and the swimming pool. So now let's start playing with this set. So it's the morning, and now Nova and Leanne, they're both sleeping in their rooms. So let's both place them in their bedrooms. So now they're sleeping, and now Nova is awake. So let's see what she does when she wakes up. So first she sits down on her computer and play video games. And then after that also read some comic books about this alien. It's one of Nova's favorite series, as you probably know. I just love that alien. I think that's so cute. So Leanne came down, and she's making some sketches for her drawings over there at the table. And now Nova stands up, and she's putting back her magazine and drinking some water, morning water like that. And so now Leanne is going to start painting because she finished sketching. So let's put some paint. Green paint and also pink paint for Bubbles' face. And it kind of looks as if Bubbles is drinking bubble tea. I don't know if that's possible for an axolotl to drink bubble tea, but it actually really looks like that. Anyway, Nova is going out. She's going to do some grocery shopping. So Nova has to look at herself through the mirror, checking if she looks okay. She's also grabbing her bag and umbrella because apparently it's raining right now, because you know it rains a lot in summer, right? So this is so cute. Anyway, let's also put some ribbon on her head and also some perfume so that she'll smell good. So now she's going to do some grocery shopping, and now Leanne has finished her drawing. Doesn't it look so amazing? It looks so cute, really cute. So she's going to also read some comic books now. It's I think it's some like a woman hero like book or something, kind of like kind of like, Marvel stuff. I think it's not Marvel, but it's a bit similar to that, like hero series. Let's put the scissor on top of her at top of her desk. So now she finished eating, she is also going to go downstairs. So now she feels kind of hungry, so she is preparing breakfast. So she's going to drink some milk and also ice cream cone. This is really making me wanna eat ice cream. Yeah, so she's also going to eat some croissants, but she has to like make it a little bit hotter in the stove and also boil the egg as well. Oh wait, sorry. What I say? Yeah, there you go. So now she has to wash the dishes from yesterday's dinner. Yeah, so she's going to wash the cups. So let's put that on top of the sink. But the sink there's no edges in the sink, so it's really hard to do it. Yeah, so let's scrub it with the sponge. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yeah, there you go. But why wouldn't this faucet go inside? It kind of feels weird. Wait, yeah, there you go. I think so. Yeah, there was actually something stuck to it, and let's use this paintbrush to make it go out. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. So now it fits in perfectly. So now no, Leanne is going to eat some food, place the cups back into its place, and also pour some milk because they're going to drink milk, and put the egg back into its place and also the croissant back into its plate like this, and pour the milk and also put some strawberry jam on the croissant. Yeah, wait, sorry. Happened to the milk. Yeah, let's put the milk back in the fridge. Yeah, there you go. It's a little bit hard to play with it because there's the upper floor and it's a little bit disturbing, but it's lovely. So put some jam on the croissant and crack the egg. So cute, right? So Liana is going to start eating first, but Nova is going to come a little bit later, quite soon. So they're going to eat breakfast together. So let's place the table over there, and Lian is eating her ice cream. Looks so delicious. I think it's maybe grape flavor. Anyway, so now Nova arrived after her grocery shopping, and she's also going to eat breakfast with Lian. So let's place all the things back. The umbrellas, the bag, the ribbon. So she's also going to eat breakfast with Lian like this over here. So after they finished eating, they're also going to wash the dishes again. Since Lian washed the dishes before, the dishes for today, Nova has to wash it. So put the ice cream back into the fridge. Wait, it's a little bit hard to put it back. Yeah, there you go. So now Lian is going to rest in the living room and Nova is going to do some leftover dishes. Wait, it's a little bit hard to stand. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. So now Lian is in the living room and eating some of these cake. That cake looks so nice and creamy, and she's watching television and also playing some video games and also watching some and also looking at some of these furniture magazines because she's very interested in furniture. There are so many wonderful furnitures in this set, I think, and the sofa is also really lovely. So after doing the dishes, Nova is going to the bathroom. She's going to take a shower because she went out, of course. So she's going to use shampoo. And I think that one, the purple one, is maybe that's body wash. So let's also use body wash. And so she washed herself and now she's going to straighten her hair with this hairbrush. Looks so cute, right? So she's going to also wash her hands, and she's also using the toilet. So now let's give her some more privacy. And so now Leanne is going to do some gardening. So let's place the things back into its place. And now Leanne is going to the garden and watering the plants, watering these vegetables, cabbage and carrot, and also the sunflower and the blue flower. And there's a lot of butterflies in this place, and she's also planting some more seeds. Looks so nice, right? This is such a lovely garden. Yeah, so now the butterflies are coming to the plants because they are so nice and watery and fresh. And so this is the garden, and after using the bathroom Nova is going to use this swimming pool. This looks so amazing. Now it's really making me want to go to like a use like a swimming pool. Don't you think it'll be so lovely if you have a swimming pool in your house? Anyway, let's use some sunblock. But this swimming pool is actually rather small. It's really tiny, but it also looks really nice though. Don't you think? So I just love building this set. It's so amazing. We have 8 rooms in this set. So awesome, right? So this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.